Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to give you some tips to increase the Wi-Fi speed in your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on Wi-Fi and tap on I symbol in front of the connected Wi-Fi. Here what we have to do, we have to disable low data mode. After that we have to scroll here under IPv4 address, tap on configure IP and make sure that you will select automatic. After doing these two settings, then go back to settings, general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After force restart, we have to launch settings again, tap on Wi-Fi, now I symbol, and tap forget this network and tap forget again to confirm. Forget the network, go back, turn off Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, turn on back and rejoin your Wi-Fi. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.